Aware of. Life insurance is a sure thing to protect your family financially all the time. You do not have to worry about your family's expenses or your business or other assets. Insurance is not necessary in life. It is very important to know about the proper life insurance. There are many life insurance plans available. You do not have to worry about the needs of your family. You should know these things before you buy insurance policy. What is the purpose of buying insurance? You should know these things in the right way. It is important to know the plan that is sufficient for the family. You will get a good insurance when you need it. The first is the term plan. If the family is a big family, there is no doubt that the term plan is necessary. The plan is special because the family is doing a life insurance protection program with a low salary. The term plan is used to save the family from the curse of the policy. The term plan is used to save the family from certain situations. The term plan will save you from those situations. The term plan should be used again after 1 year. The best time to take the term plan is when you get a job and start earning. Because when you are older, if you are older than an age, you can get a better life insurance. If you are older than an age, you get a better life insurance. The next is the savings plan. A life insurance is given to the insurance policy when the family earns a lot of money. The savings plan. The plan is used to save the family in order to both sustainably get money from the bank and earn money permanently. In addition to this, there is also an opportunity for protection. In case of police violence, the amount of insurance paid for physical abuse will also increase. It is about 7.5 to 10 times more than the amount paid for child abuse. In addition, the savings plan is available for children with disabilities. Those who have not been able to work at home, or those who have not been able to buy food. Next is ULIP or Unit Linked Insurance Plan. The savings plan is available, but ULIP is designed to support stock market related activities. One part of the insurance premium goes to the insurance coverage, while the other part is saved by the stock market by the policyholders. ULIP is designed to be used for various purposes. When the savings plan is implemented in a specific way, the features that you have chosen are: it can be used as the basis for insurance, and it can be used for ULIPs. However, the funds that can be used for insurance cannot be used as ULIPs. The amount of money that can be earned from the savings plan is more than the amount of money that cannot be spent. If you have savings to save, and if you are ready to implement the savings plan, you can use the ULIP plan to save a lot of money. Next is the child plan. The child plan can be used by the policyholders, just like the child plan can be used by the policyholders. The purpose of the plan is to save a lot of money. It can be used by children who are 90 days old. The plan can be used as early as possible. The plan can be used not only to use the plan as a compounding net, but it can also be used for the premium. When the person who is saving the premium dies, all the premiums that are in the account will be saved. There is also a policy test until the time of the plan is completed. In this way, all the tests for the child can be completed. Next is the retirement insurance plan for the elderly. After retirement, the pension can be paid regularly after the completion of the policy. When the retirement plan is completed, the monthly expenses of the policy will be the income and medical expenses. This is done by using the online calculator. It is important to buy the retirement plan in advance. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time to pay the amount. If you are sure that your retirement plan is complete, you can use this money to buy an annuity plan. This is also done regularly by the pension. If the pension is complete, there is an option to pay the amount. Thank you. When the life of the pensioner is completed, the life cover for the pensioner is completed. It is essential to understand the life of the pensioner. The pensioner's basic salary, the salary of the children, the income of the partner is also included in the pension. The life cover is the nature of the pension. And also look at your insurance policy is a normal one. That is, if you are a student for 10 years, you should have at least one life cover. When you take an insurance policy is a term or term of the year. You must consider your age and age of marriage. When it comes to buying a policy, it is difficult. It can be changed. If you are a rich person, you can also take a policy. Client settlement ratio. The amount of the company's claim settlement ratio is the same as that of the insurance company. Claim settlement ratio, CSR, is something that we need to know. The claim settlement ratio is the amount of the company's claim that has been cleared by the entire insurance company. The amount of the company's claim settlement ratio is the same as that of the insurance company. It is difficult for many people to read the forms carefully when buying a policy. But this must be done. The most important thing to keep in mind is that insurance is a very important thing. In addition, you can make sure that you have the best insurance. Also, when there is a claim, you need to make sure that you have the best insurance.